Witcher 3 Wild Hunt. A great introductory stage that developers could take notes from is Witcher 3. Players are eased into movement first, tasked with looking around a room for a key. You're slowly adjusted to the two different kinds of sight and the movement controls. Then, in a charming twist, you're off to a race with a young Ciri. You learn to run, jump, and maneuver around obstacles. Right after that, you're sucked into combat training, where you learn how to use various weapons and magic. All in all, the tutorial transitions nicely into more difficult stages as it progresses. For The Witcher 3, Wild Hunt 25 memes that are hilarious if you've played too much of The Witcher 64 of 124 the most popular video games right now, one of 1371, the 100 plus best video games of all time, ranked by fans. Getting the Morphball Metroid. Here's the internal dialogue we all had when we played through the opening of the original Metroid. Oh, this looks cool. I'm like a neat space bounty hunter dude. Let's shoot some aliens. I'll head to the right, because that's the direction you go in video games. Cool, I shot some enemies. Wait, what's this? Why can't I make it through this gap? Why can't Metroid crawl? More Metroid 105 of 382 list of games with girls in the lead, and female protagonists 13 of 178 the best video game franchises of all time, 101 of 465 the most addictive video games of all time. Level 1 Mega Man X. Level 1 Mega Man X. Memory Block 1 Assassin's Creed. Pokemon Red and Blue. Pallet Town Pokemon Red and Blue.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.